This Vista Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by Michael Majid. Enjoy sweeping views of the ocean, Catalina Island, Trump National Golf Course, or the rolling hills and Palos Verdes coastline from almost every room of this peaceful and highly sought-after oceanfront building unit. Bask in the fabulous sunsets from the private enclosed veranda, perfect for relaxing as sailboats leisurely pass you by during the week or entertaining guests on the weekend. The bright and open floorplan features 2 spacious bedrooms. The master offers an ensuite bathroom and large walk-in closet. The open living room invites you to enjoy its cozy fireplace with a drink from the lovely mirrored wet bar. You will truly enjoy cooking in your bright and airy kitchen, which includes a wall oven, electric cooktop, plenty of tiled counter space, and a new built-in wine refrigerator. Inside, laundry and 2 secured parking spaces round out this exceptional property with abundant amenities, which include 2 lighted tennis courts, shuffleboard, clubhouse, a fully loaded gym, and a sparkling pool and spa that overlook magnificent ocean vistas. You are also a short distance to gorgeous cliffside trails and the beautiful Terranea Resort with a multitude of restaurants at your fingertips. This property is a hidden jewel along the Pacific Ocean bluffs and would also make a terrific investment property. For more information,